Okay, I'm starting now.
Okay.
So don't say anything.
I won't say anything.
Weird. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Just ignore my face. We just got back from a nearly 5K run and I'm looking a little rough, a little red. But anyways, I'm going to be doing a fridge clean out, reorganization, the whole 9 yards. I just looked in the fridge and we just went grocery shopping today and everything's just kind of thrown in there, unorganized. It looks like a hot mess. Let me show you. Okay, so here we have the damage. That was done. I mean, nothing was really touched over here. Everything was just kind of the same as it was before, but this is what I'm talking about. Just a lot of hectic, unorganized, everything going on. So we are gonna take everything out, we're gonna clean everything up, put everything back in a different fashion and see the end result. I can't wait because things like this just kind of add to my, like, I don't know, I feel more clear in the head when things are just straight and clean and put away nicely and all that jazz. So yeah, stick around and we'll see the end results. And I also wanted to point out that this fridge is quite small, so this is also going to be about how to utilize the space you have with the amount of groceries that you are fitting into it. So yes, this should be very interesting. We'll see what we can do with this. Okay, so these shelves are all wiped down. I didn't take anything out of the crispers yet because I'm actually gonna save those for last, as well as with the door too. So all this will be last. I'm going to kind of let this dry out and then I'm going to put everything back in, but in like a different manner. Okay, so now for the crispers. I'm gonna just take this whole thing out. Okay, so it might not look like it's that much different than before, but believe me, it truly is. So I moved all of like the milk and the big cheese packets onto the shelf and I put like our extra drinks like the kombucha and celery juice along with the yogurt in the back, sauerkraut and open bread right on here, and then we have our eggs with our spinaches, our greens. I have this out here instead of in the crisper because I want to clean the rest of the celery, so that's why it's out here on the shelf. This is some broccoli. I have tofu way in the back. And then I also have some hummus here. And then below here, I also have some fish that I'm thawing out to make tomorrow. And then these are leftovers. These are pomegranate seeds. I have zucchini. I have a full other loaf of white bread here. And I also have beets. And then the crisper, there's just some chicken in there, some cheese. And then in here we have things like avocado, ginger, apples, oranges, lemons, all that. And then over on this side, we have like our fresh vegetables. We have more celery, carrots, cucumbers, peppers, garlic, Brussels sprouts, all that kind of stuff. And then I didn't rearrange this at all. I just took everything like off the shelves and then wiped it off and then kind of put everything back the same way it was for the most part. We just have some pancake mixes down here. I have cornstarch, arrowroot powder, some hot cereal, hemp seed oil, pure maple syrup, a couple barbecue sauces, a mustard, ketchup, flaxseed meal, coconut, flour, and like peanut butter, salsa, horseradish, all that good stuff. And this is kind of like all my face sprays that I keep in the fridge. And then I have like yeast, baking powder, baking soda, and all of that. So to me, this is looking really good. I'm really happy with the results. So I hope this gives you some inspiration to kind of work with what you have and maybe rearrange or clean out your fridge if it needs it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe down below for more, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.